So this is a demo how your suppliers will participate in reverse auction bid. Your suppliers will go to online and go to www.sapeap.in. This is our website where your suppliers can do participate in online bid. This is our website. You can see this. Here are two tabs. One is sign in and one is sign up. New users will tap on sign up page. So simple sign up page. Only three informations required. After filling these informations, they will tap on sign up page and we will provide you them unique password generated through system itself, and their user ID will be their email ID. With the help of their provided email ID and unique password, they can sign in to participate in online bid. For example, we are signing in with our dummy email and with unique password. Once they sign in, all your suppliers will get unique user ID also, so that their identity cannot be identified by their competitors or any other person. This is for your secrecy, of your suppliers, for your price, what price you are getting. And see, there are current projects. So for an example, this is your current project. Your suppliers will tap on this project. This window come down. Project name, we have given this unique project name so that no one can know for whom this bid is running. And project description, call for bid online for supplies as per request for quotation sent to eligible suppliers. Only eligible suppliers who got user ID and password only can bid in this online bid. Your supplier will tap on bid now. Now there is, we have given opening bidding amount is 26,000 and there is a model to reduce prices, like we have put a minimum decrement value of 200 rupees. So your suppliers can bid only minimum 200 rupees or in multiple of 200 rupees. For an example, your first supplier will quote 25800. 25800. Submit. Here his company name so that we can understand who has participated, quoted price and date and time. So we will wait for second bid. Let's wait for few minutes. If any other supplier will quote, we have given second mail ID for dummy so that you can understand how your supplier will quote and how your price will come down. You can see that another supplier has quoted 25400. We have asked him to rebid to reconfirm his price, so he has quoted one more time. This is double surety that he has quoted 25400 and he is sure. So that is why we have asked him to quote 2 times. So again, your multiple suppliers, 3, 4, 5, any number of suppliers can bid in this. Again, if your first supplier want to reduce to counter the offer his competitor, so he can bid again. Even a single supplier can bid multiple times. So now for an example, your first supplier who has quoted 25800, he can put any figure against his competitor. For an example, 25 triple, sorry, 24000 submit. Here it comes. Your first supplier has quoted. So this is the method how your price will come down. And this project, this formula, this method, this reverse auction is using by all major industries. Either it is Reliance Petrochemical or Tata or Gillette or any refinery. All industries are using by spending huge money in crores. So you are kindly requested to please check it once and give us opportunity to serve you once. Thank you.